So guys, we are at a farm where we can actually feed animals. So we got some food to feed the animals and I'm so excited. Let's go.
And Markus is here as well. Are you excited, Markus?
Yeah.
Daddy wants to try. Adriana, try it.
No.
Well done! You've done it! Yeah, well done, Markus! So guys, now it's my turn. Oh my god! It's too much. You okay? You okay? Hey, Markus is doing it! No! Hello, donkeys. Are you sure? They look hungry, but at the same time they are quite... No, they don't want to eat, hey.
No.
Look at this cutie.
They're eating cabbage.
Yeah. Wow, you look like a real rabbit. Okay, let's go and find piggies.
Guinea pig.
We found a piggy, guys. Shall we take a closer look?
Oh my god.
Another piggy.
Okay.
Markus, how many pigs do we have here? 2. Well done.
Oh my god.
Gosh. That was scary. They're fighting.
Oh my god.
Goat, little. Markus is scared. Why are you scared? There are 4.
I found poo.
Disgusting. Look, Adriana, well done. You're a professional now. So guys, Adriana and Daddy are the bravest.
Look at that, how they're fighting.
They are fighting over the food. Be careful, Adriana.
God, I'm careful.
You are the bravest guys in our family. Just you and Daddy can feed the animals in this farm.
Hello, Piggy. How are you today?
Hey! Adriana, someone is calling you. Your friend. Look guys, Adriana's BFFs. I'm joking.
Oh my god!
Fight?
We found another fight, guys. Oh, they are cute. Hello.
Go back.
Well done, Adriana. Yay, Markus, well done. You're doing it. Hey. Hello. Are you full now?
Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye!